Well, hello. Long time no YouTube. Well, yeah, my semester ended and I did not film anything for YouTube. Honestly, let me just say that I thought I would have a lot of time to film things, to edit things, but once school started, it was hell. So I really didn't get a lot of chances to vlog or anything, but I do have a lot of maybe little videos that I'll try to include in a whole Korea trip montage kind of thing. So look forward to that. So I think because now that my semester's over and I'm here in Korea for 2 extra weeks before I go back home to Guam, so I think I will start to vlog more. So maybe when I am in quarantine, I will definitely be editing these videos because I'll have time when I go back. Let's just get on to my Airbnb tour right now.
Okay, so this is the outside of my door of my Airbnb. This is a guest house, so it's a shared area. There is Joe's room, and this is my room. It has a half coat, log kind of thing, so that's cool. Anyways, we enter. This is the situation. I mean, yeah, it's kind of messy because I already unpacked a little bit, but yeah, I mean, honestly, if I just close that, then it's not messy, whatever. Keep the NCT dream. Yeah, honestly, I chose this Airbnb specifically because it had a lot of space, because I really didn't want to choose an Airbnb that was gonna be so tight in the area. But yeah, I have little sink, and there's all my makeup stuff, and then there's me. Hello, I have not seen you guys in since February or March, but I am here, I'm back. I'll try to be back, I guess. And this is my OOTD, I guess. Everything I bought this in Sinchon. So yeah. So this is the rest of my Airbnb, and there's a little bed thing, so maybe if someone comes over they can sleep over. But where I currently am staying is in a neighborhood called Yeonnam. I think Yeonnam is one of the best places because it's so cute. My Airbnb here was in Yeonnam when I first quarantined. It's actually down the street, down this way. So yeah, and I don't know, I just love Yeonnam, so that's why I decided to get this place. And I love being in Hongdae, so yeah. Let's see what the rest of my 2-week trip is, and yeah.
Oh, my other friends on the Discord. I like. Oh. So July.
The 9th. Coming back on the 6th.
Yeah, the 6th.
Your baby ass tennis. Fucking destroy you.
Where are we dropping?
Shut up, Francis. Fucking slap you, bitch. Joe's room has a private bathroom. So, even though it's my first day in my Airbnb, I will be meeting a friend today. I'm going to meet Kevin, and I'm going to give him his goodbye gift. Since I will be leaving soon, I am giving gifts to a lot of my good friends, so we will see his reaction. I am leaving my Airbnb. Yeah, off to the station.
That was very nice.
So I met with Kevin. We are going to go eat Chinese food.
Yeah.
And me and Kevin have been to Sinchon like many times, but we never came here at like nighttime. So we're gonna go to like the Pocha area and it'll be really fun. Yeah. Are you excited, Kevin?
I am excited. It's been a brick.
Look at his outfit. He's so cute.
You're too sweet.
He's so cute. Okay, we're gonna go eat because we are really hungry.
Yeah, okay.
So, my gift for Kevin.
Oh my gosh, so
Open it!
Oh, okay. Oh, it's wavy.
So that's the one that I got from the dorm. Those are the ones that are already open.
Oh wow, keep that. It's Lucas. Oh my
Yes.
gosh, my friend loves Lucas. I'll have to show her. And then this is...
That one I personally bought this one for
Oh
you.
my gosh, thank you. I will
So
open
that one
it.
is new.
And then this is... Oh, this is also wavy.
Yeah.
Oh, it's also Lucas. On this sleeve?
Yeah. You're supposed to connect them to your phone.
Should I read the letter when
Alright.
I'm ready to cry?
No, it's okay. So this is the one that I bought Kevin and it's new. So we will do an unboxing to see who his photo card is.
Oh my
Dun,
gosh.
dun, dun.
I don't know how to open this. I think you slide it. Oh my gosh. So it's very red. And I think this is the socket. Okay. And we're gonna see who it is. Oh, okay, so it's all of them in there. Is this just the booklet?
Yeah. Go find who your photo card is.
Oh, is this where it is?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, I'm so scared. Oh, I got your line. Is it your man?
Oh yeah.
Oh my gosh, it's your man.
Let me see. Why do you? Oh wow. People get two for. Oh, it's the Dream Cafe one.
Oh my gosh, I love them both. Yes, okay. We're gonna go to a concert one day, okay? Like they come to my school sometimes. So if they come to my school, we'll have to go. Okay?
Yes.
Especially if you're in DC.
Our food came.
I know it looks really good. I'll be letting you do the beer soon.
Really? Oh.
Because like there's a guy who died.
So after dinner, me and Kevin went right here.
Yeah, we're about to get our pie holes.
I'm keeping that.